good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Say morning, fam.
Good morning.
Tell us a morning, fam.
Good morning.
This is, what date is today?
Today is the 10th.
Today is February 10, and we are not vlogging this to post it, but we might post it at some point. So basically today is a huge day. Yes, Stella? It's a huge day, a huge start, a new beginning, because we are going to buy a house and start in house hunting today. When I say house, Jamaican call everything that you live in house, but what we're really buying is an apartment. So we're going apartment hunting, and today we're visiting 2 apartments. So we're visiting apartment 1 and 2. We have 2 appointments, so we're at 1 right now, and then we're gonna go to the other one in about an hour and a half. So let's see. Babe and I are pretty excited for this new journey, for this new adventure. So let's go and visit these apartments and see what might happen from here on out. So we just look. Let's say 1. It was 1 with presser. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is the view from the balcony. It's like this. Still have the beach, not bad. Even though this is directly in front of it, but that's not bad. And this is the balcony. That's a balcony length. I'm standing on the end, so it's not as long, but this is the living room. This is the kitchen.
Je suis venue hier pour les chambres.
Okay, this is room number 1.
On peut dire que c'est la chambre des parents. Chaque chambre, il y a 3 chambres. Chaque chambre. Oui.
There's a little balcony here. Okay, there's a bathroom for the bedroom here. Nice.
Oui, Taylor.
C'est ça, papa.
Oui, c'est pour prendre le
Come. Come, bébé.
Allez, avance.
Come.
Regarde, c'est ça, papa.
And now we're going to bedroom number 2.
Ça fait combien? Ça fait 3 chambres.
This is a toilet right here. There's one other room here. Also have a closet here.
Alors, les chambres, elles font 10 mètres carrés,
It's another room
9 mètres
here.
carrés et 8 mètres carrés.
10 mètres carrés, c'est la toute première.
Baignoire, quoi?
Bathroom.
3 ou 4 de poissons. T'as vu le...
So this is room number 1, which is pretty cool. Tella, put it back. Put it. Come on. Go to Papa. Yeah. Even though it doesn't have a bath and it have a shower, I feel.
I think you can in here like that.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, even the washing machine looks new. This is the bathroom. It is so cool. This is another bedroom in here, and all of the bedrooms have closet. Here is the toilet. Here is another closet, and this one is the big bedroom, which I love. So that house was house number 2, and it was my favorite of the 2. I don't know what they think.
Yeah, in the inside, this one is
The inside was
better
next
than
to
the
perfect
other one.
for me.
The inside, the other one have a better location. But
The house number 1 have a better location, and house number 2 have a better inside and all that good stuff.
Because the number one you can do like the kitchen, like the number two, but you have some walkies.
Yeah, but it still don't have the kitchen number one have nothing like kitchen number two, not even close. Even if you can cut out the space like American kitchen, it's still not like kitchen number two. Kitchen number two have all the storage, it have perfect cupboards, it have everything, the perfect oven, perfect everything. The kitchen number two is perfect for me, but kitchen number one is a no bueno. But the location is good, still have the little beach view and stuff like that. So it's a toss up, but let's continue on this house hunting journey.
You can't have everything that you want,
right?
So you have to sacrifice little things,
right?
So by seeing different, you know what to sacrifice. For example, right now between the two I prefer the second one.
Okay.
But in the second one you have little things to sacrifice,
right?
Like
the
location, the lighting, or things like this. So that's why is everything. You can't visit only one. You can't visit. You have, even if the first one is the one that you want, you have to visit more than one to make sure that is the first one that you like.
Right. So the house hunting continues. Okay, so this is house number 4. Have swimming pool, and this is the balcony view, and there's a tennis court down there. This is the outside balcony. Yes, baby. Go. This is the living room, and the kitchen is right here. So this is the kitchen, the living room. Okay. Okay. That's the first toilet. Come, baby. Come. First time. Yeah. Go, let me see. Okay, I like that it have 2. So it have one here. Bathroom is good. And have one here. That's cool. Plus another toilet. Aha! Look. One here for you, honey. Room number 1, which is the blue room, is here. And there's another closet here.
Alors, à savoir celle-ci, vous avez des volets électriques.
This is the pool right here. And the pool house is here. And there's a tennis just over there. That is the outside. So this is the outside of the apartment. That's the pool right there. And now this is a little sitting area right there. And now we're going to the house. This is the walkway. Go, baby, go. It's so beautiful with all this greenery. Bonjour. Come. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bonjour. Bonjour. Okay, so this is the front outdoor section. That's it. Yeah, this is the living room right here.
Ouais, je pense que j'ai mon homme qui va venir pour faire.
This is the kitchen, which we're gonna change eventually.
Oui,
Savoir
bien sûr.
les dimensions, les possibilités.
Allez-y, allez-y. Hein. Ne vous gênez pas, faites le tour. Hein. C'est chez vous bientôt.
This is one bedroom. Here is one bedroom with a closet section right there. Yes, yes. And this is the back veranda. Wait.
Je vais pas trop resservir, je vais servir aussi.
Yes.
Bah ça va, c'est
On
bon.
va nourrir
Ouais, bah,
la vaisselle.
Si, mais je pense que bah, c'est là en fait qu'il faut que je vois.
This is the walkway to the other rooms, which one room is here. Okay, so there is no light. Don't know why, but there's no light in here. And this is another room where there's also no light. Focus. This is the other room, and in here is the bathroom. That's the bathroom in here. Right there. And in here is the toilet. That's the toilet.